Next question, show that x minus 1 is a factor of x cube minus 7x square plus 14x minus 8. Hence, completely factorize the above expression. Solution. So here we have two questions. The first one is, show that x minus 1 is a factor of given polynomial. So by using factor theorem, you should prove x minus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial expression. That is our first question. Write down given polynomial. According to definition of factor theorem, given polynomial is denoted by f of x. Given f of x equal to x cube minus 7x square plus 14x minus 8. So by using factor theorem, we should prove x minus 1 is a factor. So when we are discussing in previous videos at definition of factor theorem, I gave two note points there. According to that note points, the sum of coefficients of powers in x is 0, then x minus 1 is the factor. So observe here, x cube coefficient is 1, x square coefficient is minus 7, x coefficient is 14, constant is minus 8. Constant is minus 8. That means this is x power 0's coefficient, that is minus 8. Now add these coefficients. 1 minus 7 going to be minus 6. Minus 6 plus 14 going to be plus 8. So plus 8 minus 8 going to be 0. So that's why the sum of coefficients of, so you can write here. Here the sum of coefficients of powers in x is 0, then x minus 1 is the factor. So our first question is done. Now coming to the second question. Hence, completely factorize the above expression. So on dividing f of x by x minus 1, we get a quotient. So take the normal division. Given expression is x cube minus 7x square plus 14x minus 8. Now take the divisor. Divisor is here, x minus 1. Now, so according to the division properties, first check out the first term of the dividend. First term of dividend is x cube whole divided by first term of the divisor x. X cube can be written as x square into x by x. X getting cancelled. That means here x minus 1 will go x square times. So multiply here, x into x square going to be x cube minus into plus minus 1 into x square going to be x square. Now subtract. So the signs are changed for below the expression. So plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. X cube minus x cube going to be cancelled. Minus 7x square plus x square gives minus 6x square. And note down plus 14x as it is, and constant is as it is. Now again same procedure. Take the first term of the obtained remainder. So first term is here minus 6x square. So minus 6x square whole divided by first term of the divisor x. Minus 6x square can be written as minus 6 into x by x. X getting cancelled. Then how many times? Minus 6x times. That's why minus 6x. So now multiply divisor by minus 6x. So plus into minus, minus 6x into x going to be 6x square. Minus into minus plus 1 into 6x going to be 6x whole divided by, change their sign, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. So minus 6x square plus 6x square getting cancelled. Plus 14x minus 6x gives 8x minus 8. Again same process. The first term is here 8x. 8x whole divided by first term of the divisor is x. X getting cancelled. Remainder is 8. So plus 8 times. Now multiply plus 8 by divisor of x minus 1. So plus into plus, plus 8 into x going to be 8x. Plus into minus, minus 8 ones are 8 whole divided by, change the signs here, minus, this is plus. So plus 8x minus 8x going to be cancelled. Minus 8 plus 8 going to be cancelled. The remainder is here 0. So what you get the quotient here? Quotient going to be x square minus 6x plus 8. So on dividing f of x by x minus 1, we get quotient is x square minus 6x plus 8. Now consider the given polynomial expression x cube minus 7x square plus 14x minus 8 equal to, by division principle, dividend is equal to the divisor into coefficient. Divisor is x minus 1 into quotient is x square minus 6x plus 8 plus remainder. Remainder is 0. That's why no need to write here. So this is by using division principle. Now already we got one factor, that is x minus 1. Now let us simplify this quadratic expression by using middle term splitting, and otherwise you can do one more shortcut method. I will tell you. So write down equal to as it is. X minus 1 is as it is. If x square coefficient is 1, then you can find out their factors directly. How? First you should consider the constant 8. So 1 into 8 here. So that's why take 8. Now find out their factors. This can be written as 8 ones are 8. Otherwise 4 2s are 8. Now coming to their sum, 8, their sum or subtraction. 8 plus 1 gives 9. That must be equal to the middle term. But middle term is here minus 6. 8 plus 1 going to be 9. Not suitable. 8 minus 1 going to be 7. That is also not suitable. So first one is we didn't get. Coming to the second factor, 4 2s are 8. The product is 8. Then their sum is 6. Sum is 6. But here you have minus 6. That's why take here minus 4 minus 2. If you product of this, minus 4 into minus 2, minus into minus plus, 4 2s are 8. Their sum is minus 4 minus 2 gives minus 6. Now it is satisfied. Now you can write directly x. The factor is minus 4 into x and another factor is minus 2. This is only possible when the coefficient of x square is 1 only. Otherwise, you can do by splitting middle term. So, according to question, they want factorize of the given polynomial expression. So, x cube minus 7x square plus 14x minus 8 can be written in terms of factorization is x minus 1, x minus 4, x minus 2. Please have a look.